We have in C language a break statement. Break statement is nothing but it is actually used to break the execution of loop, of do loop, do while loop, or for loop, and switch case. In both, in four of these cases, this break statement is used, or jump break statement is used. This break statement actually breaks the loop. It breaks the loop. Basically, why this break statement is used, to uh, you know when any program is written and certain condition is satisfied, you know certain condition is satisfied, then you have to come out of the loop. That, and there is a probability that that break can be applied at any term. you know when the condition gets satisfied, you don't know, there is a probability that when you don't know where the probability is, when the break will be applied. If the loop is so long, then it becomes quite difficult when the break shall be applied. I'll tell you the condition. Do, for example, do a plus plus uh, a if a equal to 60,000. hmm? uh, printf uh, printf percent t a, and then we have break. Else it can be continued. So it is nothing but the loop will begin from 0, and it will go until the condition of 60,000 is met. The loop is going to run, and when the 60,000 condition is met, the loop will break. So certain facts of programs are there. When we will solve the problems, you will come to understand how the syntax are working. In more sessions we are going to take how the syntax are working, and you will come to understand more better in a perfect manner about the break statement. So in the next slide we are going to say study about continuous statements. Continuous statements are is required to continue the execution of loop, like do, while, for, etc. If the condition is within the loop. Basically, break and continuous statements are also used simultaneously. We have to continue until the certain condition is met, and when that certain condition is met, we have to break the loop. So these statements are used in one program also, right? So we have to see the examples. We'll see the examples more and more in the next slides to come. Now, what are the functions of C language? Functions of C language is nothing but, if you have to perform any task, we have to create a function. A function can be called as many times as you want. It provides nothing but modules. Functions provide modules. When the modules are created, it becomes very easy to run the program at any time. When the function is created, you just have to call that function, and a function contains nothing but the set of uh, code which is written inside it, and the function name is given, and when that name is called, the whole set of program is executed. So it is nothing but we can create functions as many times as we want. So advantage is nothing but we can reuse the code, and second is we can optimize the code. Reusability of the code can be done, and optimization of the code can also be done with the help of the functions of C language. So yeah, we this is nothing but syntax of how we can declare functions. So return type we have to decide first, and then the function name we have to keep. Now, here are data parameters, and we have opened the bracket over here and closed the bracket over here, and between here the code is to be executed. The syntax is nothing but, here variable is to be taken, say for x, and then we have to write the function name. For example, if you take function name as addition, and here are the arguments which are to be written, for example x1 and x2, These both are arguments which we have taken. So this is addition is nothing but the function. Once the code of addition is written inside, then anytime if you want to add two numbers, you just have to write addition bracket 3 and 4. The value of x1 will be 4 over here, and value of x2 will be 4 over here, and the code is there. It will actually pass that value in x. So x will provide the solution, that is 7. Inside there will be code x is equal to x1 plus x2. So it is going to make addition x is equal to 3 plus 4, that is nothing but 7. So it was a simple code for addition purpose. We are going to take different kind of functions. A lot of functions can be done, functions can be prepared. We'll take in examples all these kinds, so that you will easily understand how to create functions and use them. So now call by value will be seen in the next slide.